Hello, I'm Dave of the BERG Jump Academy. Today I'm gonna guide you to this jump so you can do this trick in a safe way too. I'm gonna teach you the belly drop on a BERG-Champion-Trampolin with an AirFlow jump mat. Let's go! First jump on your knees and try to go as low as possible. If you're confident enough with jumping on your knees, you can land on your belly. I suggest to find a good position and make sure to keep your hands in front of your head. If you've landed on your belly, try to push yourself up to get back on your feet again. If you're confident enough with these previous steps, you can try to jump from your feet to your belly. Make sure you follow all these steps to learn this jump in a safe way. Thanks for watching this tutorial. We have many BERG Jump Academy tutorials online. Have fun training.